In the old days, if you wanted to stop painting right here, you would try some thinner, reducer, or even really thin paint or clear to melt in that dry edge. Wait for it to dry, lightly wet sand and buff. But it didn't always work that great. So today, we'll be trying some UPOL Blend number 9 and seeing if it works any better. This is a perfect spot to try it. You can see the dry edge, the new paint, and the old. And now we'll do the other side. After it dried, this is what it looks like. It definitely melted in the dry overspray, which is a good thing, but it is a bit dull. So we're going to wet sand it with some 800 or 1000 grit and buff it out. And we're going to use 1000 grit, real light, a wet rag, and just real light take down any nibs or rough areas. That should be good right there. That's good enough. Now we'll carefully wheel it out with some Meguiar's diamond cut compound. Here's a few close-up shots of what it looks like after buffing. Here's a close-up shot of the other side after buffing. For a small area like pillars, the UPOL blender worked great, and I'm curious to see if it'll work for a repair right in the middle of a panel. But we'll save that for another video. For now, I hope you enjoyed this brief video on UPOL blend number 9. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.